ABS electrical switch welding. The customer put forward 2 core requirements before ordering. Full double-sided welding and ultra, tight welds that never crack. We equipped them with a 15K4200W2 cavity. Ultrasonic welding machine. The dual station design doubles their production output directly. Finished switches achieve complete double-sided fusion with qualified bonding strength. Even hard drops from height won't cause cracks at the welding seam. Our factory supplies frequency ultrasonic welders ranging from 15,000 to 40K, suitable for all kinds of plastic part welding. Factory owners with plastic welding demands, feel free to leave a message.